Good morning, students, and welcome to our Mad Tea Party. So, this is the name of our lesson today, a Mad Tea Party. Now, let's see what is the Mad Tea Party. Alice in Wonderland is a fantasy novel written by Lewis Carroll. It tells us the adventures of the little girl called Alice who falls into the rabbit hole and finds herself in a fantasy world where funny people mingle with peculiar creatures. Here she happens to attend a tea party with three of them, the March Hare, the Mad Hatter, and the Dormouse. Okay, this is a fantasy story. एलिस इन वंडरलैंड, आई होप यू नो दैट एलिस इन वंडरलैंड कहानी आपको पता होगा, कार्टून्स में होगा, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा. इट इज़ ए फैंटेसी, ये काल्पनिक कहानी है. इन दिस स्टोरी दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन दैट ओनली, एलिस इन वंडरलैंड. ओके, ये भी एक फैंटेसी नोवेल लिखा गया है बाय लिविस कैरोल करके. ओके, तो ये भी इन द इंट्रोडक्शन इट इज मेंशन दैट ओनली एलिस नाम की एक लड़की है. शी फॉल्स इन द रैबिट होल. वो क्या है, रैबिट होल के अंदर गिर जाती है. आई होप रैबिट होल आप लोगों को अच्छी तरह से पता होगा कि हाउ मच बिग इट इज. इट्स अ स्मॉल होल it's for the rabbit only, so people can't pass through it. It's a fantasy story. एक फैंटेसी काल्पनिक कहानी है, बल्कि इस कहानी में ये दिखाया गया है कि एक लड़की, एलिस नाम की लड़की, रैबिट होल के अंदर गिर जाती है, जहाँ पे शी गेट इंट्रोड्यूस टू द फनी क्रीचर, जहाँ पे उसको अजीबोगरीब इंसान या क्रीचर्स मिलते हैं, आसपास उसके मिलते हैं. मिंगल मतलब आग या हवा मिले हुए, मिक्स हुए विद द पेकुलर क्रीचर्स. यस, शी हैपेंस टू अटेंड. यहाँ पे वो क्या करती है, शी अटेंड्स ए टी पार्टी. जहाँ पे रैबिट होल के अंदर जब घिर जाती है तो शी अटेंड ए टी पार्टी एंड विथ थ्री ऑफ दम. शी मेट थ्री ऑफ दम, दैट इज मार्च एयर, द मैड हैटर एंड द डोरमाउस. दिस आर द थ्री creatures whom she meets. Okay, और ये तीन हैं जो इसके मैड टी पार्टी में है. Now let's proceed with the lesson. There was a table set on under a tree in the front of the house, and the March Hare and the Hatter were having tea at it. A dormouse was sitting between them, fast asleep, and other two were using it as a cushion, resting their elbows on it and talking over its head. Very comfortable for the dormouse, thought Alice. Only as it is asleep, I suppose it doesn't mind. So what it is? There was a table kept under the tree in front of the house. Okay, in front of the house there was a table under the tree, and there the hare and the hatter were sitting, and they were having their tea. A dormouse was sitting between them. See, a dormouse was sitting. उनके बाजू में एक dormouse बैठा था, between them, इन दोनों के बीच में. And it was fast asleep. It was sleeping. It was fast asleep. And these two, Hatter and March Hare, they were using him as a cushion. उसे क्वेश्चन की तरह इस्तेमाल करते थे. क्वेश्चन आपको पता होगा, सोफा में हम लोग रखते हैं, जिसके ऊपर हाथ रखते हैं, आराम से लेटे रहते. तो दिस ऑल्सो Hatter and March Hare, they were both using this dormouse as a cushion. They were just keeping their hand over it and relaxing over there. Very comfortable for the dormouse, thought Alice, only as it is asleep. The table was a large one, but the three were all crowded together at one corner of it. What it is saying, the table was a large one, but all of the three were sitting only at the one side of the table. Means all they were crowded. यानी टेबल के एक ही जगह पे सब बैठे हुए थे, जबकि टेबल काफ़ी बड़ा था. वो एक ही जगह में भीड़ बना के बैठे थे. नो रूम, नो रूम, दे क्राइड आउट व्हेन दे सॉ एलिस कमिंग. व्हाट डिड दे से? नो रूम, नो रूम मीन्स देयर इज नो प्लेस फॉर यू. ओके, इट इज सेइंग the what did Alice says? There is plenty of room, said Alice indignantly, and she sat down in a large armchair at one end of the table. Okay, so what she's saying, there is lots of space. What she says कि हाँ यहाँ पे तो बहुत सारी जगह है. एंड शी सेट डाउन इन ए लार्ज आर्म चेयर. वो एक देयर वॉज ए लॉन्ग आर्म चेयर एंड शी सेट ओवर इट एट द वन एंड ऑफ द टेबल. इंडाइग्नेंटली मीन्स गुस्से में. जब आपकी जगह पे कोई और कब्जा करता है तो आपको गुस्सा आता है, या आपकी चीज़ें कोई और ले लेते तो आपको गुस्सा आता है. तो सो यू आर शोइंग दैट योर हैंगर, दैट देयर इज समथिंग अनजस्टिस डन टू यू. ओके, तो दे आर सेइंग. तो said Alice indignantly and she sat down in a large armchair at one end of the table. Have some wine, the March said in an encouraging tone. Now the March hare is offering some wine. Alice looked at all around the table, but there was nothing on it but the tea. I don't see any wine, she remarked. Now Alice just looked over the table. There was nothing there. There was no wine, just only tea. Then I don't see any wine. Then what she said, I don't find any wine over here, she remarked. There isn't any, said the Marcher. And the Marcher also added that, there is no wine over here. Then it wasn't very civil to you to offer it, said Alice angrily. Now Alice got angry. She said, there is no wine over here. Then why are you offering wine to a visitor? Don't you think this is very injustice? It wasn't very civil of you to sit down without being invited, said Marcel. So what did Alice say? There is no wine over here. Then why you are offering wine? Don't you think it is very unpolite and all? What they are saying, it wasn't very civil of you to sit down without being invited, said the Marcher. Now what the Marcher is saying, don't you think that is very this uncultured thing, that when you are not invited then why do you come and just directly sit on the chair? बोलते हैं आपको बुलाया नहीं गया फिर भी why you came here. तो आपको नहीं लगता you are making some mistakes over there? I didn't know it is your table, said Alice. It is laid for a great many more than 3. So what did Alice say? I didn't know that it is your table and it is a very big table. So I thought I can just come and sit over it. Your hair wants cutting, said Hatter. He had been looking at Alice for some time with a great curiosity, and this was his first speech. Now what did the Hatter say? He was just looking at Alice, and what did he say? Your hair needs cutting. मतलब तुम्हारे बालों को काटना चाहिए. It should be shaved and all. तो बोलते तुम्हारे बालों को काटना चाहिए. And he was just looking at her Alice विद ग्रेट क्यूरियसिटी. मतलब बहुत जैसे कि उसके बारे में जानना है, क्यूरियसिटी रहती है ना आपको किसी चीज़ को जानने के बारे में. तो हैटर भी उसी भाव से उसकी तरफ देख रहा था कि अजीब लड़की है, इसके बारे में जानकारी होनी चाहिए. तो ही वॉज जस्ट लुकिंग एट हर विद ग्रेट क्यूरियसिटी एंड दैट वॉज द फर्स्ट डायलॉग ही सेड. You should learn not to make personal remarks, Alice said with some severity. It is very rude. But what did Alice say? किसी के ऊपर पर्सनल कमेंट्स नहीं करना चाहिए. वी हैव नो राइट टू गिव एनी पर्सनल रिमार्क्स अगेंस्ट एनीबडी. आपके बाल अच्छे नहीं हैं, आपके कपड़े जो पहने हैं आपने अच्छे नहीं पहने, आपके जो ये तौर तरीके अच्छे नहीं, ऐसे कोई भी पर्सनल कमेंट्स हमें किसी को नहीं देना है. सामने वाले को बुरा लग जाएगा. तो यू शुड लुक आफ्टर दैट यू आर नॉट हर्टिंग एनीबडी. तो कोशिश यही होनी चाहिए आपकी कि आप किसी को हर्ट नहीं करें, किसी का फीलिंग को हर्ट ना करे. ओके, तो ये इट वॉज अ पर्सनल रिमार्क्स. तो शी वॉज एंग्री विद दैट. उसे पसंद नहीं है एलिस को कि उसके बालों पे उसको कुछ कहा जा रहा है. द हैटर ओपन्ड हिज आईज वेरी वाइड ऑन हियरिंग दिस, बट ऑल ही सेड वॉज व्हाई ही इज raven like a writing desk. Now when he heard that, he was something surprised over that, hearing all these things. But what did he say? Why is raven like writing desk? Raven is एक बर्ड है. ओके, इट्स अ लार्ज बर्ड लाइक क्रो के जैसे एक बर्ड होता है. तो ही इज आस्किंग व्हाई रेवन इज लाइक अ राइटिंग डेस्क. मतलब वो डेस्क की तरह, मतलब माइट भी वो ऐसे पढ़ा होगा, दैट इज व्हाई ही इज सेइंग सो. इट्स ए फैंटेसी स्टोरी. तो आपको उसी तरह से लेना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इट इज़ नॉट ए नेचुरल थिंग्स एंड ऑल, एंड दिस कन्वर्सेशन इज टोटली फैंटेसी, नो रियलिटी ओवर दैट। तो प्लीज़ टेक इट एज ए फैंटेसी, इससे काल्पनिक कथा की तरह ही लीजिए क्योंकि ये काल्पनिक कथा ही है, उसको हम सीरियसली नहीं ले पाएंगे क्योंकि एक कहानी है। कम वी शैल हैव सम फन नाउ, थॉट एलिस। I am glad they have begun some riddles. I believe I can guess that she had it aloud. The what Alice is saying, come we shall have some fun now. बोलते come and we shall have fun. अभी थोड़ा enjoy करते. I am glad they are begun some will be. I am glad they have begun asking riddles. I believe I can guess that she added aloud. Now the riddles were asked. Do you mean that you think you can find out the answers to it? Said the March Hare. Now what the March Hare is saying? Do you think so that you will find the answer for the riddles asked? So what Alice is saying? Exactly so, said Alice. So Alice बोलती है हाँ, why not? I can give the answers for your riddles. Then you should say what you mean. The March Hare went on. I do. Alice hastily replied, At least, I mean what I say. That's some same thing, you know. Not the same thing a bit. Now what the March is saying? तो then you should say what you mean. बोलते तुम्हें बताना है कि तुम क्या समझाना चाहती हो. What you are saying, you explain us. तो what she is saying in hurry, hastily मतलब जल्दबाजी में, जल्दी में हम लोग कुछ जवाब देते या करते hastily, okay. तो what she is saying, at least I know what I mean. मतलब मुझे पता है कि मैं क्या बोलने जा रही हूँ, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. I know that. Not the same thing a bit, said the Hatter. You might just as well say that I see what I eat is the same thing as I eat what I see. You might just as well say, added the March Hare, that I like what I get is the same thing I get what I like. See, it is something riddle, okay. I see what I eat. जो मैं देखता हूँ वो मैं खाता हूँ, okay. I see what I eat मतलब जो मैं खाता हूँ वो मैं देखता हूँ, okay. Means whatever you are eating you can see that, okay. And what is the next one? It is said I eat what I see. And next sentence है मैं वो खाता हूँ जो मैं देखता हूँ. ये if you go try to understand, these two are the different, this sentence is different meanings, okay. जो मैं देखता हूँ वो मैं खाता हूँ या जो मैं खाता हूँ वो देखता हूँ, these two are something different if you try to understand it, okay. And what the March Hare saying, I like what I get, यानी मुझे पसंद है जो मुझे मिलता है, is the same thing as I get what I like. बोलते ये भी ऐसे ही होता है जैसे I get, यानी जो चीज़ मुझे पसंद है वो मुझे मिलता है. तो ये इधर ये सेंटेंस बोला जा रहा है मुझे पसंद है जो मुझे मिलता है. तो दिस इफ यू गो थिंकिंग टू दैट, इट टू हैज अ डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स, ओके. तो दिस हैज टू बी अंडरस्टूड बाय यू. You might just as well as say, added the Dormouse, you seem to be talking in a sleep. That I breathe when I sleep is the same thing I sleep when I breathe. So Dormouse now he got up. You all know that he was sleeping over there. So now he got up. What is it? I breathe when I sleep. मैं सांस लेता हूँ जब मैं सोया रहता हूँ, या मैं सोता हूँ तब मैं सांस लेता हूँ, okay. That is they are explaining. It is the same thing with you, said Atta, and here the conversation dropped and the party sat silent for a minute, while Alice thought over all she could remember about the ravens and the writing desk, which wasn't much. So it is the same thing that you said the Hatter, and our conversation, and उसके बाद उनकी conversation क्या हुआ, drop हुआ मतलब थम से गई. The party was silent. The party sat silent for a minute while Alice thought over the, Alice किसके बारे में सोच रही थी, रेवन जो एक बर्ड वहाँ पे था, and the writing desk which wasn't much. So this is what I will be stopping over here, okay. The remaining part of the lesson will be explained to you in the next lecture. Please try to read this lesson It is a fantasy. You have to just read, try to understand what it is explained in this lesson. Okay, thank you.